Welcome to Murthy Telangana. In the last session we had a discussion on Surds. We have discussed the concepts as well as problem solving strategies. Today we shall do some more examples on Surds. So let us do some problems on Surds. Now the first question, if x plus root of x square minus bc multiplied by y plus root of y square minus ca multiplied by z plus root of z square minus ab, okay, is equal to x minus root of x square minus bc into y minus root of y square minus ca into z minus root of z square minus ab. Then each equals to, let us write the options here: A, ABC, B, minus ABC, C, A plus B plus C, D, plus or minus ABC. So this is the question. First let us have a discussion on this one. X plus root of x square minus bc multiplied by y plus root of y square minus ca, z plus root of z square minus ab is equal to x minus root of x square minus bc, y minus root of y square minus ca multiplied by z minus root of z square minus ab. Then each side equals to, that means LHS, RHS both will have the same value. That value has to be evaluated, has to be calculated, we have to find out. See, I will explain the problem solving strategy, how to solve the problem. First read the problem very carefully, that means indirectly comprehensively, then go for the problem solving method, then easily we can get the answer. So that means first of all, let us say each one equals to k. Suppose LHS is k, RHS is k. Suppose this is k and this is k. Let us write first. So first, that is our assumption, k is equal to x plus root of x square minus bc, okay, y plus root of y square minus ca, z plus root of z square minus ab. This is left hand side. Now right hand side write down, that is also k, x minus root of x square minus bc, y minus root of y square minus ca, okay, z minus root of z square minus ab. Now say this is 1, say this is 2. Let us multiply 1 and 2. What do you get? Let us see. If you multiply 1 and 2, k into k, k square. Am I correct? Now what is the product of these two? So a plus b into a minus b. that is nothing but a square minus b square. So x square we get, and minus of root of x square minus bc whole square, that is minus x square plus bc we get, correct? So now if you multiply these two, what shall you get it? So let us observe it. So if you multiply these two, we get this one is y square minus of y square minus ca, that is minus y square plus ca. Now product of these two, easily we can write it now. So that is also z square minus z square plus ab. Let us perform simplification. X square gets cancelled, y square gets cancelled, z square gets cancelled. Now here BC multiplied by CA multiplied by AB. Now let us see what do we get it. Here this equals to a into a square, okay, b into b square, c into c square. So actually we have to find out k value. Here since k square is equal to abc whole square, taking square root on both sides. So k is equal to square root of this one is plus or minus abc. So this is the answer. So what is k? Left hand side is k, right hand side is k. So that means each equals to plus or minus abc, not separately abc minus abc. Generally one may be tempted to write the answer either a or b, but answer is the D is the perfect answer. So D is the right answer. Okay, I hope you might have followed this method. Okay. Okay. Now next question, second one. If 4 plus 3 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus root b, then a minus root b equals to, here a 8 minus 5 root 3, b minus 8 minus 5 root 3, c 8 plus 5 root 3, d minus 8 plus 5 root 3. So we may expect this type of question in the examination, because so you may find these type of questions in 9th class real numbers chapter. Okay, let us solve it now. So how to solve this problem? First let us have a discussion. Here in this problem, what is the conjugate of 7 plus 4 root 3? That is 7 minus 4 root 3. So it had better to multiply both numerator and denominator with 7 minus 4 root 3. So we have to simplify it, then equate it to a plus root b. After getting a plus root b, just see there a minus root b. That means conjugate of a plus root b will be the answer. Understood? So that means now first of all multiply both numerator and denominator with 7 minus 4 root 3, which is the rationalizing factor or conjugate surd of 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, let us proceed. Now, this a plus root b equals to 4 plus 3 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3. So, I already told you. So, it is multiplied with 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. This 7 minus 4 root 3 is also called rationalizing factor of 7 plus 4 root 3. So, calculations very carefully we have to perform here. 4 into 7, 28. 4 into minus 4 root 3 minus 16 root 3. 3 root 3 into 7 plus 21 root 3 plus into minus minus 12 into 3, root 3 into root 3, 3 upon this is a plus b into a minus b. Very simple. A square minus b square, that is 7 square minus 4 root 3 square. Now, we have to do the simplification. So, here see the simplification part. Now, 28, 21 root 3 minus 16 root 3, that is 5 root 3 minus 12 into 3, 36 upon 49 minus, it is very important. What is 4 root 3 square? 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3, 16 into 3 is 48. Am I correct? So, 48. What is the value of 49 minus 48? That is 1 only. So, now we get this is equal to 36 minus 28. That will be 36 minus 28 is minus 8. Now, plus 5 root 3. Check it. As a plus root b is equal to minus 8 plus 5 root 3, what is the conjugate of a plus root b? That is a minus root b. Therefore, a minus root b is equal to minus 8 and minus 5 root 3. Now, check the options. So, now which is the right option? Which is the right option here? So, B is the right option. Third problem. If x equals to root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5, xy is equal to 1, then x cube plus y cube x cube plus y cube. So, now A 1692, B 1728, C 1028, D 1224. Okay. So, let us do it. First, let us rationalize the denominator of x. What is the denominator of x? Here, denominator of x is root 7 plus root 5. Its rationalizing factor is root 7 minus root 5. So multiply both numerator and denominator with root 7 minus root 5. After simplification we get x value. As x y is equal to 1 given, y is equal to 1 by x, that means reciprocal of x. So what we have to find out here? X cube plus y cube. Using one of the algebraic identities, this problem can be solved. That is known as problem solving strategy. So in this problem, what is the step 1? We have to rationalize. What is the step 2? Finding y value. What is the next step? Finding x cube plus y cube. That's all. In the 3 steps, this problem can be solved. Okay. Now, x equals to root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5 multiplied with rationalizing factor of root 7 plus root 5, that is root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 minus root 5. So now here we get root 7 minus root 5 whole square, okay, same only, a minus b into a minus b whole square. This is a plus b into a minus b, root 7 square minus root 5 square. Now we get this is equal to a minus b whole square concept. Root 7 minus root 5 whole square is 7 plus 5 minus 2 root 35 by root 7 square is 7 minus root 5 square. How much? 5. Okay. Now this equal to 12 minus 2 root 35 by 2. Any further simplification can you do it? Yes. From 12 minus 2 root 35, take out 2 common. If you take out 2 common, we get 6 minus root 35 by 2. So that is 6 minus root 35. This is the value of x. Okay. Now as xy is 1 given, y is equal to 1 by x. That is very clear, 1 by 6 minus root 35. If you rationalize with 6 plus root 35, you get like this, 6 plus root 35 upon 36 minus 35, 1 only, 6 plus root 35. So first find x plus y, that is x is 6 minus root 35, 6 plus root 35. Now simplification, this gets cancelled, 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay. Now we have to find out x cube plus y cube. We know the formula for x cube plus y cube. This can be written x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, you can expand, you will get x cube plus y cube only. This is 12 cube minus xy is equal to 1, 3, x plus y is equal to how much? 12. So 12 cube is 1728 minus 36. So now how much you will be getting, that is? So this is 1728 minus 36. So 2, so this will be 9, so 1692. So 1692. So Which is the right option? Yes, you are correct. Now A is the right answer. Now next problem. X is equal to root 3 plus root 2. Then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, okay. Now A 10, B 4 root 6, C 5 plus 2 root 6, D 5 minus 2 root 6. So just check the options. X is equal to root 3 plus root 2 is given, and we are asked to find out x square plus 1 by x square value. Option 10, 4 root 6, 5 plus 2 root 6 and 5 minus 2 root 6. So that means first of all, let us find out x square value here. X square, that is root 3 plus root 2 whole square. So this will be 3 plus 2 plus 2 root of 3 into 2 6. So 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay. Now let us find out the value of 1 by x square. 1 by x square, that is 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. Let us rationalize this 5 plus 2 root 6 with 5 minus 2 root 6. So 5 minus 2 root 6 by 5 minus 2 root 6. See, 5 minus 2 root 6 by, here 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square form. So this we can write 5 square 25 minus 2 root 6 whole square is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. So we get this is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. This is x square, this is 1 by x square. What we have to find out? X square plus 1 by x square. So that means we have to add these two values. So now x square plus 1 by x square, 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay. Just observe the problem. So now 2 root 6 gets cancelled. So what is the answer? So now 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So now the first A is the right option. Here x square is root 3 plus root 2 whole square. A plus b whole square is root 3 square 3 plus root 2 whole square 2 plus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into root 2, that is 2 root 6. So we have 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2 root 6. Now we have to find out 1 by x square, that is 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. The rationalizing factor of 5 plus 2 root 6 is 5 minus 2 root 6. So if you multiply both numerator and denominator with 5 minus 2 root 6, 5 minus 2 root 6 into 1, 5 minus 2 root 6 by or upon, here a plus b into a minus b, a square, 5 square 25, 2 root 6 square, 2 square is 4, root 6 square is 6, 4 into 6 is 24, 25 minus 24, 1, 5 minus 2 root 6 by 1 is 5 minus 2 root 6. Now, x square plus 1 by x square. 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 5 minus 2 root 6. Plus minus gets cancelled. We have 5 plus 5, that is 10. I hope you might have understood this problem. Now, shall we move to the next problem? Okay, let us move to the next problem. If x is equal to root of a plus 2b plus root of a minus 2b by root of a plus 2b minus root of a minus 2b, then bx square minus ax plus b equals to, okay, a b c 0 d 1. Just go through this problem, because this problem is the application problem. So now the Surds is connected to the here quadratic equation. We have to frame a quadratic equation in terms of x, as x is equal to this one. How to find out frame a quadratic equation in this case? Here see, first, can I write x as x by 1? Yes, x by 1 means x only. This is equal to a plus 2b plus a minus 2b by a plus 2b minus a minus 2b. See, after completion of this problem, I will explain another method also, but till then, so follow this method. After that, I will explain one more method also, that orally I will explain after completion of this one. So how to do this in second method also. See, now you are familiar with the componendo and dividendo. Using componendo dividendo, this problem easily we can do it. So let us just recall that componendo and dividendo. So I will write on the board also what is componendo and dividendo. In Telugu, yogantaranupata kriya, componendo and dividendo. So now I will write here, suppose a by b is equal to c by d. If both ratios are equal, so this can be written a plus b by a minus b equals to c plus d by c minus d. This is called componendo and dividendo. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Now, applying componendo dividendo, numerator by denominator, numerator plus denominator, x plus 1 by numerator minus denominator, x minus 1 is equal to, here I will do directly, this plus this means these two are minus, gets cancelled, this plus this. Okay, I hope this is root of a plus 2b plus root of a plus 2b plus root of a minus 2b minus root of a minus 2b. This gets cancelled. This becomes 2 root of a plus 2b by, now this one denominator should be subtracted from numerator. this get minus sign, this get plus sign, this gets cancelled. Here this becomes 2 root of a minus 2b. Okay, 2 gets cancelled. Now we have x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to root of a plus 2b by root of a minus 2b. Just think, now square root is there. As we have the square root, squaring on both sides, simply just apply squaring on both sides. See, squaring on both sides, we get x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square is equal to, how much do you get it? Square root will be eliminated. We get a plus 2b by a minus 2b. That's all. Now let us expand left hand side. If you expand left hand side, this is a plus b whole square, this is a minus b whole square concept. You know, very simple. That will be x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 1. Check it. Okay. This is equal to a plus 2b by a minus 2b. Again apply componendo dividendo. This plus this. So 2x gets cancelled. We get 2x square, 1 plus 1 is 2 by this minus this, x square cancel, 1 cancel, we have 4x is equal to this plus this, 2b cancel, 2a by a plus 2b minus a plus 2b, a cancel, 4b. Now here you see 2 common, x square plus 1 by 4x, 2 times a by 4b, 2 cancel, 4 cancel. Now cross multiply. If you cross multiply, what do you get now? bx square plus b equals to ax. Now bring ax this side. bx square minus ax plus b equals to 0. Now which is the right option? Yes, C will be the right option. Okay, just go through this problem, because this problem is involved so many calculations. So better you do problem once again, this problem, practice this problem using componendo and dividendo method. So otherwise this problem can be done directly also. So that is very simple. Rationalizing method also you can adopt it. By using that method also you can frame a quadratic equation in terms of x. So shall we go to the next problem? Okay, let us move to the next problem. Now root of 15 minus x root 14 equals to root 18 minus root 7. Then x equals to, first option 6. Next is 8, next 4, last one is 2. So in the last episode we have discussed how to find out square root of the binomial surd which is in the form of a plus root b. Now the given problem, just observe, that is in the form of a plus root b itself only. Okay. Now, so let us find out. Here already square root is given. Now squaring on both sides we get the x value in this case. So in this case squaring on both sides, square root of 15 minus x root 14 equal to root 18 here. So 1 minute, wait the problem. Okay, minus root 7. Squaring on both sides, root of 15 minus x root 14 whole square, root 18 minus root 7 whole square. So now this gets cancelled. We get 15 minus x root 14 is equal to, this will be, so now actually I think so this is 8, you take it 8 better, 8. So a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? This is 8 plus 7. So now minus 2 root of 8 into root 7. Okay. So actually instead of 8 there 18 was given, but you have to correct it as 8, that will be the correct one. Okay, now this is 15 minus x root 14 equals to 15 minus, we have one formula, root a into root b. What is the value of root a into root b? Yes, that is root ab. Now what is root 8 into root 7? Root 8 into root 7, that is root 56. So 2 root 56. Now this 15 gets cancelled. What do we have? Here minus x root 14 is equal to minus 2 root 56, that we can write 14 into 4. Now what is the square root of 4? 2. 2 into 2, 4. So minus x root 14 is equal to minus 4 root 14. Do you expect the answer? Yes. Root 14 and minus gets cancelled. We have x is equal to 4. So which is the right option? Yes, C is the right option. Okay, check once again the problem. Okay, let me explain the problem once again. Here, whenever these kind of problems are given, better to square on both sides, compare rational and irrational parts. Any cancellation is there, you have to make the cancellation, then concentrate on the variable which we have to find out. So in this case that is the x value. So x value is having evaluated as 4. So let us move to the next question. Now sixth one. Square root of 11 plus 4 root 7 equals to, okay. Now a, root 7 plus 2, B root 7 plus root 2, okay, C 7 plus root 2, D root 8 plus root 3. Here we have the 4 options. In general, if the given one is in the form of x plus y 2 root xy, directly we can write root x plus root y answer. But if you observe this problem, instead of 2 root xy, here we have 4 root xy form. So that means we have to put in the form of 2 root xy form such that we can write the values root x plus root y form answer. So that's why first of all we have to change this 4 root 7 as 2 root of something. So then after that easily we can find out square root of the given binomial surd, which is in the form of a plus root b. Okay. First let us change this 4 root 7. 4 root 7. This 4 root 7 means 2 into 2 root 7. Can I write like this? Again, this 2 root 7 we can write 2 into root 4. Root 4 is 2 into root 7. Now, root 4 into root 7 is 2 into root of 4 into 7, 28. Now, this is root of 11 plus 2 root 28. This is root x plus root y. Let us say. Now, x value, y value we have to find out. Here see, this 11 is x plus y, whereas this 28 is product of these two, x y is equal to 28. Now, let us question ourselves. Let us pose a question ourselves. The sum of two numbers is 11, product of two numbers is 28. What are such numbers? You see, it's very clear. 7 into 4, 28, 7 plus 4 is 11. So this can be written 7 plus 4, 7 into 4. Do you expect what is x and what is y? Yes, x is 7, y is 4, being x greater than y. So what is the answer? This equal to root 7 plus root 4. Can we simplify further? Yes, why not? This root 4 is nothing but 2. So this equals to root 7 plus 2. Now A is the right option. Just go through it once again the problem. Okay. We shall move to the next problem. Next one, root of root 50 minus root 48 equals to A 2 to the power of 1 by 4 root 3 minus root 2, B 2 into root 3 minus root 2. Now C root 2 into root 3 minus root 2, D root 2 minus root 3. It is just somewhat typical problem, but moreover typical, it is very simple only. The first, we have to write root 50 as the simplest form, root 48 as the simplest form. After that, square root easily we can find out. So, okay, let us try. Now, here root 50, this root 50 we can write root of 25 into 2, correct. Square root of 25 is 5, so 5 root 2. This is pure surd, this is mixed surd. The pure surd is being converted to the mixed surd. The mixed surd can be converted to the simple surd. So, in the similar fashion, root 48, that is 16 into 3. So, that will be 4 root 3. Okay, 16 into 3, root 16 is 4, 4 root 3. So, now this can be written root of 5 root 2 minus 4 root 3. Again, this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Again, this 2 can be written as 2 into root 2 into root 2, correct. So, now instead of 4, write down 2 into root 2 into root 2. So, if you write, this becomes square root of 5 root 2 minus 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 3. Okay. Now, what shall we do? Yes, we have to take out this root 2 common. So, now if you take root 2 common, you see you get like this, root 2 common, we get 5 minus 2 root 2 into root 3. Can I write directly? Already we have discussed it so many times. Root a into root b is root of ab. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Okay. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Now, easily we can find out square root of 2, that is root 2 means 2 to the power of half and half. This becomes 2 to the power of half and half, and whereas square root of this one we have to find out. Here we have to frame a one question in our mind. What is the question means? Sum should be 5, product should be 6. What are such numbers? 3 plus 2, 3 into 2. So, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. X greater than y, 3 greater than 2. So, here answer we can write root x root 3 minus root 2. Now, half into half, 1 by 4. So, this is equal to 2 to the power of 1 by 4 into root 3 minus root 2. So, which is the right option? Of all A, B, C, D, A will be the right option. Okay. So, next question. So, let us do one application problem. Okay. If x1 less than x2 and x1, x2 are the roots of the roots of x square minus 26x plus 120 is equal to 0, then root of x1 plus root of x2. This is the question. A, root 5 plus 1, B, root 5 plus 2, C, root 3 plus root 2, D, root 5 plus root 3. Okay. Now, how to solve this problem? Here x1 is less than x2 and x1, x2 are the roots of x square minus 26x plus 120 is equal to 0. Unless and until we solve this quadratic equation, we cannot find the value of x1 and x2. So that means first of all we have to solve this quadratic equation. We know how to solve the quadratic equations. The quadratic equation can be solved in actually different ways. So one of the best method is factorization if possible. Otherwise go for formula method, minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now here 120, 20 into 6, this is 20 plus 6. So we can write this is x minus 20 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 6. Here x1 will be the 6 and x2 will be the 20. Now our aim is to find out square root of x1 plus root of x2. So root of x1 is 6 plus root 20. Can I write root 20 as 4 into 5, root of 4 into 5, that is 2 root 5? Yes, 6 plus 2 root 5. 5 is a prime number. Only two factors will exist, that is 1 and 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So here x plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 5. So x is 5, y is 1. So root x is root 5, root 1 is 1. So just verify which is the right option. Yes. So far we have discussed some problems on Surds. So based on the concepts, and we have discussed the problems on the square roots. In the next session we are going to discuss about clearly about fourth roots and cube roots, sixth roots. So thank you for watching this program. So thank you one and all.